and for those of you new, I'm filming a cleaning video today. I have not done one of these in a long time. It's been months, honestly. But my house is in desperate need of having it cleaned. I've just been doing it in like little sections at a time since having the baby. My mom had been here once cleaning and she did most of it, but it's been several weeks now, and I'm gonna just try and go through most of the house and clean it as much as I can. I don't know how much I'm gonna get done today. It's a Saturday, so we're kind of all just around here. Nick is watching the boys and Oakland for the most part, and I'm gonna try and get this house in a little bit better shape. We're also having some visitors tonight, I think, so just wanted to get the house in order for that as well. In today's video, I'm also collaborating with my friend Addie. She and I have been friends for a long time. She's been on YouTube for a long time, and she is also going to be doing an entire house clean with me.
Hey everyone, I just thought I would pop on and introduce myself. I'm really excited to be doing this collab with Lynn. Her and I have been friends for a long time, and she has definitely been a dear friend to me through good times and bad in life, and we have a lot in common. We do a lot of the same kind of content. I'm a mom of 3 little girls. We live in North Carolina, and I love doing home decor, vlogs, cleaning motivation, cooking, all of those things. I'm going to be doing an entire house clean in this collab, so whenever you're finished here with Lynn's video, you can head on over to my channel with the link in the description and check out my video.
Make sure you go check out her channel and her video and subscribe. And also, if you're coming over from Addie's channel, welcome. I would love if you would subscribe. We live in Sarasota, Florida, and I do a lot of lifestyle related content. I'm gonna get started and hopefully it'll give you guys some motivation. So we need to go through their toy bin here. It's a big disaster. Everything's just thrown in there, so they're gonna help me organize. Going through their toys is a pretty frequent occurrence because somehow they just collect a bunch of little stuff. Some things are okay. A lot of this is like cars and different things like that, but I did get rid of some stuff. Just I know they're not using it, or we've had it for a long time, that sort of thing. It's just something that I need to kind of keep after, otherwise it just drives me up the wall and there's little stuff all over the place. I had them try to help me a little bit. It's always questionable whether they're going to be able to help, or if, you know, everything is going to have like, oh no, we have to keep this, we can't let that go. But they did pretty good today in helping. The boys are supposed to be working in their bedroom. Bua, send on Chapo stuffed.
I'm done. And Jackson tried to build this. We didn't even have any pieces.
The reward is if you guys start cleaning up a little bit more and help me today, you get what?
Legos.
A Lego set. They've been belly aching for Legos with instructions. Pick up the trash, and this is not going well. Pick up all the Legos and put them in your box, and then also you guys need to make your beds, okay? So I had been thinking of putting in a little bit of Pennsylvania Dutch or Deutsch here in the video again. I had done a video a while back, a cleaning one, decorating I think, where I had talked a little bit in our native tongue, you might say. If you're new, we are Mennonite, but that means we have Anabaptist background, and a lot of us speak what we call Pennsylvania Dutch. It's a dialect of German and Swiss, basically. So we do have some English words mixed in, and yeah, we grew up with it. That was our first language as kids, and then we kind of just picked up English by the time we went to school. So my boys understand it, and yet somehow they don't talk it, much to my dismay. I'm blaming it on the technology and stuff that's available these days, and just, I guess, us not enforcing it enough. But I mean, they understand us and everything, so I'm thankful for that. But yeah, it's very handy to know a second language, and it's not like we had to go learn it or anything. It's just that's what we were taught to, and that's what we talk mostly here at home, Nick and I. But I will say English is definitely creeping in quite a lot more, especially if the boys are, you know, talking back in English. I'll be a lot more apt to, you know, speak English and stuff. So I'm very thankful to speak a second language, and I just thought I'd put a little bit in today's video. Let me know if you understand it or if you don't. So when die wissen väl vad stoft is från då like in Oakland's nursery, I har en torgedu då det väl trick ni vet inte för ni helt hög watch, but when Lynette hand ni väl visa vad stoft is det från I har in alla video so it says in the description box. I also haven't talked about the boys' beds here in a while. Their bedding is from Betty's Beds and it's zippered bedding and I really like it. They sent it to us a little over a year ago after we moved in, and you can zip up the sides and it makes it really easy for kids to make their beds themselves. So thought I'd tell you guys about that, and I think I have a link for that in the description box too if you want to go check them out. If you're curious what kind of cleaning products I'm using in today's video, I will talk about it in a little bit, but I'm using mostly e-cloths and you just use water with their products. So my shower curtain dot, if you see kind of snake good seeing it, but eyes from Target and now I got recently and it's really glasting. So when I wanted to send was this one säljs på and ich hab's in the description box below when this grejer väl där det är checka väl. Das ist die Bude bathroom und ich habe noch nichts gerührt zu die Bathroom since wir moved in. Es ist nicht ordentlich schön, but says there's stuff wie es geht und there's some tat nemas, but anyway, just in case it's in one of wo ich bin. So I did quickly clean this bathroom just very lightly, but I didn't film it just in case you're wondering, but I did want to do the mirrors yet because they're really dirty. So I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with e-cloths and what they are, but if you're not, this is a non-toxic cleaning product. Basically, they have cloths that they sell and you just clean with water and they work great. So I'm really excited to be partnering with them today in my video. They are sponsoring the video and I'm very grateful for that. So if you've not ever seen the products before or used them and you're looking for ways that you can, cut down on your chemicals or you want to try and be more non-toxic in your home and everything, this is a great solution. This is like the stainless steel cleaning cloth. So they have different options. They have window cloths. They have the cloths you can go over as far as like to wipe it dry. They have just your regular multi-purpose ones and then like a kitchen one where you have a little scrubber. It attracts the dirt when you're wiping surfaces. The fibers in the cloth attract it, and so it does a really good job. And I just love the microfiber, especially when cleaning like stainless steel and even just windows and everything. It does a really good job. And you can, use them multiple times before even washing them. You just rinse them with hot water and everything. So I have a code for you guys for 10% off, and they do run sales occasionally. So just use the code in the video here along with clicking the link in the description box, and it'll take you to their site, and you can get 10% off for I think around a week or maybe 5 days. So definitely hurry and to get it if you're wanting to try these. They're a really good price too. I get asked quite a bit what type of countertops we have or if we painted them. These were here before we moved in. The kitchen is actually not like a very high quality kitchen at all, but these counters are just Formica, and this is the way they were, so I think it's just plain black Formica. I would personally not recommend plain black countertops because it attracts dirt, or I feel like you see it a lot. Now if you have speckles in it, it's one thing. But I definitely wouldn't go and buy another black countertop without it having some type of variation in it. But I'm just thankful for a kitchen and that it works, and it's, you know, half decent cute, and I love making my house look as good as I can. It's just something that I enjoy very much. So definitely, if you are new, consider subscribing because I enjoy sharing home renovation stuff and just things we're doing to improve our home. I feel it's very important to love the home you have wherever you are. Also, my favorite mop, bucket, and mop is the Osier mop. I have had this thing for probably a year now, and I love it. It's very affordable. You can find them pretty much anywhere, and I do have a link in the description box if you want them. It just works really well. You can wash the heads, you can buy replacement heads. I actually just got some new ones, so yeah, I really like this one. It does a really good job, and I just use like an all-purpose type of cleaner usually. I'm not very picky with my floors, but that's generally what I use. And look, isn't Nick sweet to help me finish up here? I had been kind of getting a little tired at the end of the day, and I wanted it to get done. And so he finished up the mopping for me, which was really nice of him.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, this morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when
So if you hear some baby squeaks, that would be Oakland. She's sitting here while I'm doing my voiceover. But I wanted to leave a couple of Bible verses with you, just some scripture. I haven't done this in a while, and I wanted to try and do it today. It is from Ephesians 3, verses 14 to 17, I think I'm going to read. It's Paul talking. It says, "When I think of all this, I fall to my knees and pray to the Father, the creator of everything in heaven and on earth. I pray that from his glorious unlimited resources, he will empower you with inner strength through his Spirit. Then Christ will make his home in your hearts as you trust him. Your roots will grow down into God's love and keep you strong." For some reason, I don't know, is it the other translation that I was reading it in? I'm using the New Living Translation. But I feel like verse 17 is just a really special verse. And I just wanted to leave it with you. I feel like there's a lot of good there and a lot of truth, and just the thing of being rooted in Christ, no matter what comes. I wanted to leave that with you guys. So I hope you all enjoyed the video today. I hope you found it motivating and just encouraging in some way or another. If you like cleaning videos like this, let me know. I have not been doing a lot of them recently, but if you want to see more of them, let me know in the comments, or just give this video a thumbs up. That would kind of, let me know. So yes, make sure you go check out Addie's video and watch hers, subscribe, and that's pretty much going to be it. Also find all the links for things that I've mentioned in the video today. You'll find that in my description box. So I hope you all have a very blessed day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.